Ever wondered why small changes make a huge impact? Imagine if I told you that brushing your teeth with the opposite hand could change your life. Well, not really, but hear me out. Today we're diving into Chapter 1 of Atomic Habits by James Clear, where tiny changes lead to massive results. So, if you've ever thought, I just need to be more motivated, guess what? You don't. Let's break it down. Alright, let's start with a crazy fact. If you improve by 1% every day, you'll be 37 times better in a year. But, if you get just 1% worse every day, you'll basically become a potato. Not great. Think of habits like compound interest. When you invest $1 today, you won't be a millionaire tomorrow. But over time, boom! Same with habits. Tiny improvements done consistently lead to life-changing results. Ever tried to lose weight and gave up after a week? It's not because diets don't work, it's because we expect big changes too quickly. Habits work like ice melting. You don't see anything happening at -5 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Celsius, -3 degrees Celsius, then bam! At 0 degrees Celsius the ice melts. That's how habits work. Slow at first, then suddenly, change happens. Welcome to the dreaded Valley of Disappointment. This is where most people quit. You start a habit. Maybe going to the gym. First week, no abs. Second week, still no abs. Third week, now you're just sore and eating ice cream on the couch. But here's the trick. Successful people don't quit in the valley. They know progress is happening behind the scenes. If you trust the process, suddenly, boom! You hit a breakthrough. So, stay in the game. Most people think success comes from setting goals, but James Clear says, wrong. It's about systems. Goal. I want to run a marathon. System. I'll run 10 minutes every morning. If you focus on the system, the results take care of themselves. Champions don't say I want to win, they train every day. It's the habits, not the dreams, that make winners. Okay, let's make this real. Here's how you can apply Chapter 1 today. Pick a micro habit. Read 1 page, do 1 push-up, drink 1 glass of water. Track it. Put a check mark on your calendar every time you do it. Stick with it. Don't expect magic in a week. Give it time. Boom! That's Chapter 1 of Atomic Habits. Remember, small changes make big impacts, just don't quit before the ice melts. In the next video, we'll cover why habits shape your identity, and how to trick your brain into loving good habits. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build better habits together.